let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. Got some nice targets down below. But I don't know. There's so many end dogs. This is so AIDS. How we doing, boys? How the fuck are we doing? We have orange folder, right? 10 a.m. Going a bit slow, isn't it? What sort of range are we in? Damn. Manage your risk. Fallopian, do you know when? Good afternoon, Denji. Fallopian, do you know when this Supreme Court hearing is supposed to be about Trump's tariffs? I just struggle to find this shit on my, like, I don't know if it's because I'm in the UK. We're just respecting NWOGs and shit. So we either just need to fucking have an influx of volume to take us out of this range. A 1,000 orders were here. We go down today, yeah. I'm hoping so. 24,804. We got some nice targets. However, well, ES has actually set that daily low, so we got a bullish SMT on the daily. But we are flying through that bitch. But we need to keep an eye on ES. Happened on November the 5th, the hearing. No decision made since it was just a hearing. It looks like it's legal, but they're looking at an alternate way to try have him stop them. Wow. But I saw something that even if they did try to like fuck this over the way that he's doing it now, they would. There's another way they can impose the tariffs. I heard. I don't know because he's using it. He's using this. I can't remember who imposed the tariffs, but he's using it in a specific way. I don't know. It's like emergency import tariff tax or something. That's what it needs to be, or I can't remember what it is. Thing is, we're so far back, won't pick up any fair value gaps, or there just isn't any. Pushing through this 5 minute. Could take a trade off the 5 if we get the inversion without this liquidity being taken. ES is pretty close to taking that low. The equal lows in the 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute. Or no, that's the end of even. Damn. Right, yes, accept it. Think he's about to take it. We might inverse this weekly fair value gap as well. Closes in 7 hours. We edged it. There ain't no way, bruh. Tapped into the end dog. Yeah. Unlucky. It's probably a 30-second air. Yes, has only had a bit of a liquidity grab here though. What candle is it? Okay, yeah. Okay, but we swept it. If we retrace now aggressively, okay. Yes, like extremely unlucky. 5 minutes inversed. This is just pure AIDS. 5 minutes inversed. Got no 15 minutes in the way. Unless. Okay, yeah, we still got this. Yeah, it's kind of stalling here now. We reacted off of 50% of that discount wick from the 22nd of October. Traded a bit through it. Could hold this 15-minute, but who knows? My trade of 8 just takes so long to open now, like I can't do anything. Trying to catch shoots or what? Yeah, I'm interested in shorts. I'm interested in a shorts. Shows. Down to 805, that would be clean. But we need to start disrespecting this level here. Veg caught a win. Would you want to see for a long to be valid? Can you draw? Well, I would want the price to be a little bit more aggressive right now. So for a long, I'd maybe want to tap back into this zone up here. Come back down. Hopefully respect this 15, create a 1 minute here. And then just long from this. But this area right now that we're trading in is going to give us a good idea on what is going to happen. Trade a bit finally open. 0 wins, 0 losses. But at least you didn't lose, bro. Saving the capital, that's the most important part. You got a nice SMT though. it's looking like this 15 minutes going to inverse. So this is the bottom of the 15 minute, this blue line here. I think it's actually already inversed before. No, not really. Currently in some hourly gaps. It's 15 minutes until the hourly's inverse. See, what would be nice is we reject off of this level, come back down, and then reject from like here, and then push up. That's what would be good to see right now. We want this displacement to hold and then come back down. Bro, Jam, I was thinking about Chinese food since we're about to order some tonight. I remember the time we were calling to order and Dad got the order wrong. And Dad got the order wrong, and the guy at the restaurant told him that he didn't get it right. How fat do you have to be for the resti correct when you're ordering? Yeah. What made you think of Chinese? Because of my stream announcement? Hello, hello. You create a 5 minute in this next candle, so see what happens there. You create the 5 minute, tap into the 5 minute, reject down. Boys, and I'm trying to get Apex to do a better sale. I spoke to the guy in Apex. I was like, no one likes this sale. Oh, you're ordering some tonight? What? Alright, created the 5 minute. You really want to tap into this 5 minute here. Okay, we've tapped the 5. Let's see what happens here. Let me just wake up Chango. Nice reaction.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Ejecting straight out of the 5. It's a shame. Okay, we got a 2 minute here, in fact. This could be very similar to yesterday. The only thing is, we'd rather have a little bit more built up internal liquidity right now. Because our break even point has to. Oh, our break even point kind of has to be this. But we're rejecting. What black line is this? Is that the daily low? 937. Okay, so what is wanting to be played out right now is happening. However, we haven't created a 1 minute gap. We've got a 30-second. But I don't know. We just don't have the cleanest setup for shorts. We don't have a great break even point. um, we've inversed the two here. It's just kind of awkward. Like you got to manage your trades so much more different. Like you'd rather catch a retracement play. Did ES inverse? ES had no gaps. Okay. Let's see if ES has got a 30-second. Oh, it's still coming in and farted. What a disgusting fucker. Right, there's no gaps in the way. Well, I mean, longs have great conviction. We've got 1 minute here. We've obviously just tapped back into the 5. So it's a bit more of a risk on play. I'll maybe try. If we can use this red line as support, this would be great. But it's kind of just having to go break even when, okay. I'm going to cancel that now. It's 4 in the 5 minute. You just kind of got to be patient here. Because it's looking like search and destroy. 1 second. Get out. You fucking stink. Come. Come on. Come. Come. What's this? You want a treat? Oh, fuck. I can't. Damn. So, check the fuck. Bro, do you know what it is? I'm getting a haircut today, so I couldn't put any product in my hair. So my hair is looking nuts. Wait there. Look at my fucking hair. It's fucking nuts. No, Messi is not better. I'm not an anime character, bro. Have you seen that bro, what is it? He works in a car thing. Japanese car manufacturer with anime hair. This fucker. Fucking hell. We're just consolidating in a fucking big old range right now. Damn, we didn't even take that. I'd always have to be to take a fat shit during AM. Yeah, that's weird because for you right now it's 4 p.m. Like you're eating at weird times, I guess. Expecting 2 minute again. Where's the 2 minute? Is there one far to the left? Am I tripping? But this is the only 2 minute I can see. Displays out of this range, that would be great. Put in equal highs, you want to see them get smacked immediately if we're coming out of the range. Nice. Yeah, good shit, Tom. Get that bitch monetized. These are like relative equal highs. Just need like 970,000 more views. But you need 1 million views? 10 mil, fuck me. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. That's fucking crazy. But I guess if you're posting 3 times a day, you're good. 111,000 per video, 90 days. Yeah. Per day, 90 days. Yeah, I guess so. Shorts actually, they do alright as well, don't they? But the thing is, I never catch myself watching shorts for longer than like a few minutes. So this is nice. If it keeps using this red line here as support, this is great. But making bread from it is gangster, yeah, for sure. Currently traded in this discount wick. Kind of need a lot of views to make anything worthwhile, but if you can flip the money from shorts into making something long term, yeah. Bro, do you know what? There's like these, like, bro, TikTok, if you get 1 million views on TikTok and it's over a minute long, you make like 3K. And there's these videos of AI all playing to song on the wall. Is it this? Right, internet is crazy slow right now. Mine is making me play the game. But pretty much, yeah, it plays.
The music is synchronized well with the marble, and it was looking just awesome. When I opened their channel and I
those videos, because they're like a minute long, like, and you watch it, and like you actually do catch yourself like staying watching it. Like, if you can consistently build them, even if you did it like a conversation, like if you put like a really interesting conversation, I don't know. Me not know. Nice budgie boy. I'm about to chef up some minced beef and rashers. Bacon rashers. Bro, I had a banging bacon sandwich yesterday. Interesting. We touch that tap. Would do flips. Yeah, bro. I had to break my belly back into pork. Like I had to gradually eat pork. The first few times I was eating it, bro, I was shitting. One of the times I was puking, shitting. Best looking play right now is the 4 minute. To the relative equal highs. One four one. Oh, I'm targeting just a little bit above, like that. To be fair, the most significant draw we can target here is genuinely like that. Or this one here. But it's not looking great. No 1 minute here. Not even a 30-second. We've just consolidated our way up. Let's create a 15-minute. Okay, this could be better, in fact, because we could long into the 15-minute and set our break-even point at the 15-minute. Okay. What the fuck? Oh, 10 a.m. Oh, the orange folder. Bearish. Shame we didn't get a 1 minute. Oh no, this is better. This is a better area for us to get a 1 minute. Because we got a lot of buying pressure here. Like this is going to be our most significant part of volume. We could tap into this zone and reject out of this area. Or maybe it was a really delayed AMD. Yeah, we had NFP. Well, we were supposed to have NFP, weren't we? Fucking sucks, bro. This government shutdown is just chaos. I just can't wait for 2025 to be over with, to be honest. But I'm just kind of dreading, because the start of this year was so painful, bro. So painful. So I'm kind of dreading what the start of 2026 is going to be like, to the point where I'm actually training for like a cybersecurity job, just in case price action shit and I need to get a job for a couple months. Because unlucky Pablo. Because I don't want to fucking, like, if price action shit, I'd rather just step away from the charts. Nah, it's not coding. It's not it. Well, it just depends, bro. I'll be honest. I've got a little bit of experience in networking and shit like that from back in the day. We was down bad when we was younger. Yeah, when I was like from about 11 to 14 or whatever, I used to play Minecraft. We used to play Minecraft, and what we would do is you could get people's IP from their Skype name. So we'd play like a faction